Hello everybody. So in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make these very delicious healthy brownies. So here are some of the ingredients you'll be needing. You'll need bananas, eggs, honey, vanilla, peanut butter, yogurt, oats, baking powder, and cacao or cocoa powder. So first you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And you're going to put the 2 bananas into the oven. So this helps them get very sweet, so when you're baking, it provides a sweetness for these brownies because there's no added sugar. And then, while those are in the oven for about 10 minutes, we're going to make our oat flour. And if you have oat flour, you can use that, but I didn't, so I just ground up some oats. So I ground up 1 cup of oats, because we need 1 cup of oat flour for this recipe. And so I'm just putting in my blender here. And then I mixed it for like 5 seconds, very short amount of time, maybe 10 seconds. Maybe I'm over exaggerating, but around that time. And you just want to get it very smooth, around the regular texture of a normal flour. And now we're going to start mixing our ingredients. So you take the 2 bananas, and mine are very brown, so they'll be very sweet. So you need 2 bananas. It's about 1 cup mashed. You're going to mash those up in one big bowl. And you want to get it very smooth so these brownies are not chunky unless you want chunks of bananas in there, but I wanted mine to be very smooth. And then you're going to add 2 eggs. And make sure not to get the shell in there because you really don't want that. And then I've just whisked it to get it super smooth, and now I'm adding in some vanilla, which is 1 teaspoon, but as you can see, some of it spilled out, so I just added a few more drops in there. And then 1/2 cup of the yogurt. And then you're going to add in 1/4 cup of peanut butter, or you can use any other nut or seed butter that you want to. There's a lot of replacements for these ingredients. I heard that you can use applesauce instead of the banana. So if you didn't want it to taste like banana, or you don't like bananas, you can add that in instead. And then you're going to add 1/4 cup of honey for sweetness. So I guess I said the bananas were the main sweetness, and they are. But you can also add honey. That's like a healthier sweetener than most other sweeteners, I guess. And then you're going to add the 1 cup of oats that we blended, or oat flour, and I just folded it in took my time with it, and I just folded it in until it was all combined. Make sure it's all nice and smooth combined. And then 1/3 cup of cocoa powder unsweetened. And just mix. And you want it to be very smooth. Like, I like my brownies very smooth, so that's what I was going for. So this is what you kind of want yours to look like. And basically, if you couldn't tell, I forgot the baking powder, so make sure you add that in. And you need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, because otherwise the brownies will not rise and they'll just be kind of flat. So you really want to put the baking powder in there. Now we're going to put these brownies into the oven. And then I put my brownies in there for 20 minutes, and they actually ended up taking 25 minutes. I just wanted to make sure that I could check on them before. Ooh, those look so good. So take those out of the oven, and you're going to let them chill for about, I just put them in the fridge for, I don't even know how long, like maybe 15 minutes, maybe a little bit less, and they were still a little bit warm when I took them out, and yeah, they look amazing. And then I took them out so I could cut them, and they look delicious. And they are very good. They're not very thick. They didn't rise too much, but they're they're really good for healthy brownies. They are amazing. Like, you can taste the banana. I couldn't really taste the peanut butter in mine, but you can taste the banana, the cocoa. It was really good. And that's basically it for the video, so thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.